fertilization in humans is internal. It takes place inside the body of the female. Semen, which contains the sperms, is introduced into the female genital tract during the act of copulation. The deposition of sperms in the vagina is called insemination. Human sperms are motile and rapidly swim towards the ovum, lying in the fallopian tube. The sperms pass the cervix, enter the uterus, and finally reach the ampullary isthmic junction of the fallopian tube. This is the site where the ovum lies and fertilization takes place. When a sperm meets the ovum is in the secondary oocyte stage. It has not yet completed its second meiotic division. The fusion of sperm and ovum is called fertilization. For fertilization to take place, the sperms must be released in the vagina during the period that the egg is alive, that is, within 24 hours after ovulation. The sperm has to pass through the corona radiata and the zona pellucida to reach the plasma membrane of the ovum. When it reaches the zona pellucida, the acrosome releases its contents of lytic enzymes. These enzymes dissolve the zona pellucida. The sperm plasma membrane then fuses with the egg plasma membrane. This fusion triggers the secondary oocyte to complete its second meiotic division. The second meiotic division is also unequal and leads to the formation of a second polar body and a haploid ovum. The nucleus of the ovum is now called the female pronucleus. The cortical granules present below the egg plasma membrane release enzymes which harden the zona pellucida and block further entry of sperms. The sperm nucleus now enters the cytoplasm of the ovum. The sperm nucleus is now termed the male pronucleus. The male and female pronuclei come together and fuse. The male and female chromosomes mix. This event is called karyogamy or amphimixis. Fertilization is thus completed. The fertilized ovum is called a zygote. Identical twins are formed when the zygote splits into two. Each split portion then develops into a complete new individual, and both are exactly identical to each other. On the other hand, non-identical or fraternal twins are formed when two separate eggs develop in the mother's body, and they get fertilized by two separate sperms.